Hello everyone, good evening. My name is S75549. My check number S75549, Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering, Technology, Naval Architecture. Today I would like to present for subject Marine Engineering System 1, topic smoke tube boiler. The presentation is the function of the furnace in the smoke tube boiler and the role of burner in the combustion process. Our objective, first one is to determine the function of the furnace in the smoke tube boiler. The second one is to identify the role of the burner in the combustion process. First of all, before we go through to our objective, we need to know what is a smoke tube boiler. A smoke tube boiler, also known as a fire tube boiler, is a type of marine boiler where hot combustion gas passes through the tube and the surrounding water absorbs the heat from the tube. This process begins in the furnace, where fuel combustion occurs and resulting hot gases traveling through the smoke tube before ejecting through the uptake. So this is the example of the vertical smoke tube boiler, also known as Cochrane boiler. This is the horizontal tube boiler. First is the function of the furnace. As we know, furnace in a smoke tube boiler serves several critical functions. First, furnace is a primary combustion chamber. The furnace is the main chamber where fuel and air mix and combustion take place. It's designed to withstand very high temperature produced during burning. Secondly, furnace acts as a heat release zone. Inside the furnace, this is furnace, the heat from combustion is transferred predominantly by radiation. Because the furnace walls are large and exposed to the flame, they absorb the highest heat flux and transfer the heat to the surrounding water. Thirdly, it ensures complete combustion. As we all know, furnace provide adequate space and residence time for the flame to burn completely. This prevents unburned fuel, reduce soot formation, and increase thermal efficiency. Next is furnace support flow of hot gases. After combustion is take place, hot gases move from furnace into the smoke tube, where heat transfer occurs through convection. Lastly, furnace acts as protection and structural strength. Marine furnaces are built with refractory material or water-cooled walls, protecting the boiler cell from extreme heat and prolonging its service life. Next is the role of the burner in the combustion. Burner is a component responsible for igniting and sustaining the combustion process. Its first role is fuel atomization. The burner breaks the liquid fuel into fine droplets, a process known as atomization. Smaller droplet means larger surface area, which improves mixing and promote efficient burning. So this is the close-up of the ejector of the burner, where the fuel is pressed and released into fine droplet to make efficient burning. Next is mixing fuel with air. Proper combustion requires the correct air-fuel ratio. The burner ensures uniform mixing, which is essential for combustion and minimize pollutants like carbon monoxide and unburned hydrogen. Third is flame stabilization. Burners are designed to stabilize the flame by controlling the ignition pressure, flame shape, combustion intensity, This prevents blow off of the flasher. We need to stabilize the flame, because if the flame is too sharp, it will cause low efficiency. If the flame is orange color, it's also cause low heat transfer. First is control heat release. Burner allow the adjustment of fuel flow rate and supply combustion pressure. This ensures the boiler produces the correct steam output safely and efficiently. The last one is safety mechanism. Modern marine burner include safety systems such as flame scanner, automatic shutdown valve, atomizer, steam or air control. This protects the boiler from misfire and overheating. This is how the furnace and burner work together. First, the combustion occurs where the fuel mixed with air and create a fire that create heat, and the heat that create will flow to the fire tube, whereas the fire tube is surrounded by water, and the water is heated and becomes steam, and the hot gas will release here and the steam will exit here. So this is a real life example. This is a vertical smoke tube boiler, and this is a vertical. This nowadays smoke tube boiler are commonly used for heat fuel for mixing. Conclusion. In summary, the furnace functions as the high temperature combustion chamber, while the burner is responsible for atomization fuel, mixing air and producing a stable flame. Both components are essential for safety, efficient and reliable boiler operation on a boat ship. That's all from me. Thank you.